Screw it. I don't care if it's not right. I have taken long enough. I'm going to unbox my 5D Mark IV carefully. It is September 9th. Shipped last night, overnight, from New York, from B&H. I think they have stock now. I'm sure they do by now. So we got a receipt. And then we got the Canon 5D Mark IV. Now this is a body only. There is no lens in it. Despite the fact that there's a beautiful lens on the package, that's good marketing. Because now I want that lens, because I'm going to work with a 24-105. So we've got, it's like some kind of warranty manual. Let's get this up. There we go. Registration form. Your software for Windows or for Mac. Instruction manual. Manuals. It looks like two different manuals that I don't see an immediate difference from, but it's not why we're here. Some kind of cord. This would be a USB 3 cord, connection cord for the camera, I imagine. Oh, there it is. And then there's the body itself. We'll get to that in just a minute. A little bit more. Oh, of course, down here we have battery charger, extra eyepiece. Ooh, the coveted 5D Mark IV cord. Not sure where that's focal length is. And then your LPE6 new version, LPE6N battery. Official Canon battery. Very nice. And then let's get to this. I was gonna do like a whole cooking show cam thing and like multiple cameras. I don't care. It's my camera. I already have a shoot. I've been waiting to shoot this spot until I got this camera. Woo. It's got that new camera smell. Oh. Oh, that's not an extra eyepiece cover. That is the eyepiece cover. Alright, so put her down for you. Get some good focus. So let's move it right up. So I'll put my eye cover on. Alright, so for cards, I have a SanDisk card, which is, I have a couple cards here. I think this one is one that's already going to work. Because you can, if I really close. No, it's too close. Hold on. It's too close, man. Here we go. Get in there. The numbers on there are the U1 and 95 megabytes. It's the SanDisk Extreme Pro. I have that card. I'm pretty sure I bought the exact same card. That's a 64 gig. And then this also is a 64 gig. Is basically the exact same thing. So I'll probably return that one because I got a 128 CF card, so I'll probably return that and get a 120. I have another 128 card, but I'm not sure if it's a U3. I'm not sure if that's going to work. And then, yeah. Thing is probably womping like crazy. I really don't care. Also got that. So my computer doesn't have a CF card reader. It doesn't have an SD card reader, which is nice, which is actually kind of rare these days. Yeah. So, yeah, I'll probably just keep that card. Bazinga. And Bazinga. See, I got a pre-charged battery over here. It's always good to label your batteries. You'd be amazed how many times people are like, "Oh, which battery? Oh, that's mine. It's got my company name on it. You can't have it." All right, so got the old 1.450. We got the beast, the workhorse. I gave this thing a decent cleaning. The lens, that is. And hard she blows. Man, that screen back there is massive. Turning the camera on, it asks for the date. Bloop. What is the date? Alright, that's all you get actually. I'm gonna go play with my camera. See you later!